Keeping your Canon EOS R5 C camera updated ensures peak performance, new features, and fixes for any issues. First, check your current firmware version by navigating to Menu, then Function Settings, and finally Firmware. Next, visit the Canon official support website and download the latest firmware file for your R5 C. Make sure to download the correct file for your specific camera model. Format a clean SD card in your camera, then connect the SD card to your computer and transfer the downloaded firmware file directly to the root directory of the SD card. With the camera powered off, insert the SD card containing the firmware file into your EOS R5 C. Power on your camera while holding down the set button. This will often prompt the camera to recognize the firmware update. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the update. The update process will begin. It's crucial to ensure your camera is fully charged or connected to a power source during this time. To avoid interruption, do not power off the camera or remove the SD card until the update is complete. Once the update is finished, the camera will display a confirmation message. Power off your camera, remove the SD card, and then power it back on to verify the new firmware version in the menu. You've successfully updated your Canon EOS R5 C firmware. Enjoy the improved performance and new features of your cinema camera.